Hello friend, today we discuss about the profit and loss. It is a chapter of a math. It is the first chapter of a math. Then when we calculate profit or loss, it must be depend upon the two terms. Depend upon the two terms. One is CP, another is the SP. Then what is the CP and what is the SP? CP refers to cost price, SP refers to selling price. CP refers to cost price, SP refers to selling price. Then what is cost price and then what is the selling price? There are two terms which are very essential in calculation of profit or loss. In calculation of a profit or loss. Then what is cost price? When we purchase an article in which price is called cost price. That cost price and selling price. Cost price is क्रय मूल्य. Selling price विक्रय मूल्य. Then what is cost price? When we purchase an article in which price is called cost price. It's called cost price. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ आर्टिकल किणुଛନ୍ତି जो प्राइस दे किणुଛନ୍ତି ସେଇଟା ହେଉଛି cost price. ସେଇଟା ହେଉଛି cost price. And selling price, what is selling price? What is selling price? Sell an article in which price is called selling price. Is called a selling price. In which price we sold an article is called selling price. जो प्राइस रे आमे गोटे आर्टिकल को बिक्री करूछंती सेटा होची गोटे विक्रय मूल्य. Then we explain it through an example. Ram bought a toy for rupees 100 and sold it for rupees 110. Then here CP of toy is rupees 100 and SP of toy is rupees 110. Is rupees 110. Then CP of a toy is rupees 100 and SP of a toy is equal to 110. Then how to calculate profit or loss through the cost price and selling price? Profit or loss always calculated on cost price. Profit or loss always calculated on cost price. Then when we know profit or loss? When SP is greater than CP is profit. When CP is greater than SP is loss. Is it loss? Then profit is equal to SP minus loss. SP minus CP. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. It is the formula of find out the profit or loss. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. When SP is more than the CP, then it must be profit. When CP is more than the SP, is loss. Is loss. Then how to find out the profit? The profit is equal to SP minus CP and loss is equal to CP minus SP. Then we explain it through a example. Same example. Ram bought an article for rupees 100 and sold it for rupees 110. Then here CP is equal to rupees 100 and SP is equal to rupees 110. Then here SP is more than CP. SP is more than CP. SP is greater than CP. So it profit. So it is profit. Then we calculate profit. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. SP minus CP. 110 minus 100 is equal to rupees 10. Then here is profit is equal to rupees 10. Then when SP is more than CP, it result of a profit. It is the formula of a calculation of a profit. SP minus CP. Here is profit is equal to rupees 10. Rupees 10. If it sold for rupees 90, then CP is equal to rupees 100, SP is equal to rupees 90. Then here CP is greater than SP, so it loss. When CP is more than the SP, then the result is loss. Then how to calculate the loss? Loss is equal to CP minus SP. CP minus SP. Then CP, here CP is 100 minus SP is 90 is rupees 10. Rupees 10. Then here CP is greater than SP, so that the result is loss. It is the formula of calculation of a loss. And next is we know about the calculation of percentage of profit or loss. Percentage of a profit or loss. Then percentage of profit or loss always calculated on CP. That refers to cost price. That percentage of profit or loss always calculated on a CP, not SP. It always calculated on a CP. It is very important term. Then how to calculate the percentage of profit or loss? We explain it through an example. A man bought a toy for rupees 100 and sold it for rupees 120. Then here first of all we know about the result of profit or loss. Then here SP is greater than CP, so it profit. Then how to calculate the profit? Then profit is equal to SP minus CP. SP is equal to 120 minus 100, then rupees 20. Here is the 20, rupees 20 is the profit. 20 is the profit. Then how to calculate the percentage of profit? Percentage of profit is equal to profit divided by CP into 100. It is the formula of a percentage of profit and percentage of profit. The calculation of percentage of profit, profit by CP into 100. Then here is profit is equal to 20 and CP is equal to 100 into 100 is equal to 20%. It is the percentage of a profit. Here it is the percentage of a profit. Then through the example we know about the how to calculation of a profit percentage. In another example we know about the how to calculate the percentage of a loss. Percentage of a loss. Suppose CP is equal to rupees 100, SP is equal to rupees 8. Rupees 8. Then here CP is more than SP. CP is more than SP. Then it is the case of loss. Then it is the case of loss. Here CP is greater than SP. So it loss. So it loss. Then how to calculate some loss? Loss is equal to CP minus SP. CP minus SP. CP is equal to 100 minus SP 80 is equal to rupees 20. Rupees 20. Here rupees 20 is the loss amount. Here rupees 20 is the loss amount. Then next is how to calculate the percentage of a loss. Percentage of a loss. Percentage of a loss. This is the formula of loss divided by CP into 100. 100. Then loss is 20 divided by CP 100 into 100 is 20%. 20%. Then here percentage loss is 20%. Percentage loss is 20%. Then formula profit is equal to SP minus CP, loss is equal to CP minus SP, CP minus SP, percentage profit is equal to profit by CP into 100, percentage loss is equal to loss by CP into 100. Percentage profit or loss always calculated on cost price. It is the formula of a profit or loss. Formula of a calculation of a profit or loss and a percentage of a profit or loss. Thank you.